Hello! To send group text on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, I will show you how to do this on the Google application and also the Samsung Messages application. So let's get started. And from now on I will start from the Google application, so let's go into application. And to use any of these applications, you will have to set them as default for each of these applications. So let me set the Google application messages as default right now, and now I'm able to use it. So all you have to do is simply press this icon right now to create a message, and here's the button to create a group. And you simply select any contacts that you have. You can also input a number right here and press done. Also you can add another number, and just like this you press next. You can give a group some name, and right now you can send a group text on this Google Messages application. And right now I will show you how to do this on the Samsung Messages application. Let's go in here, and as you can see, to use this application I need to set this one as default again. So let's set the Samsung Messages as default, and right now I'm also able to use it. So now from here we have to press this plus icon to create a new message, and here we simply add recipients. As you can see, as you input any number or for example the name of the contact, you have this right here available. So you can add also more recipients, as you can see how many you like, and here you can also, as you press this plus icon, you can select from your contacts. And yeah, as you are done, all you have to do is simply send a message to actually create the group chat, just like this, as you can see. And yeah, that's how to do this. Yeah, thank you for watching.